In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a producer tag using Google AI. Full tutorial. We'll build a clean, memorable producer tag from idea to final export using free AI voice tools and a few simple mix moves in your DAW. Start by deciding the vibe. Keep it short and punchy. 2 to 4 words works great. Or go with a signature phrase or your name. Choose whether you want something energetic and hype, or more atmospheric, almost like a whisper. If you like extra flair, plan a double tag with a voice plus a quick sound effect. A few simple examples to spark ideas are prod by your name, you already know, certified heat, or next up. Say the phrase out loud a few times and feel the rhythm you want before you generate audio. Now use free AI voice generators to bring the phrase to life. In 11 Labs, type your tag, pick a voice you like, and preview. Tweak speed or pitch to match your vibe, and explore emotion and speaking style controls to make it punchier or smoother. When it sounds right, download as MP3 or WAV. UberDuck is another solid option with lots of character voices. Enter your line, select a voice style with some energy or personality, generate and download. For a clean, no-frills sound, TTS MP3 and similar free TTS sites work well. Choose a male or female voice, enter your phrase, generate, download, and quickly test it inside your DAW to check clarity. It helps to save a few variations with different pacing or emphasis so you can A/B them in context. Bring your favorite take into your DAW. FL Studio, Ableton, Logic, or Cakewalk all work. Pitch shift the tag slightly up or down to make it unique. Add a touch of EQ and cut lows around 100 to 150 Hz to remove rumble. A small amount of reverb gives space without washing it out, and a short slap delay adds bounce. For warmth and grit, try subtle tape saturation or light distortion. If the tag competes with your kick, set up a quick sidechain so the tag ducks under the drum and stays out of the way. If you want extra impact, layer quick sound design elements like a whoosh before or after the tag, a tight impact hit, a reverse cymbal transition, or even a short layered 808 boom. You can craft these with your own samples or experiment with AI sound generators. Keep them brief so they enhance, not distract. When you're happy, export as a wave at 24-bit.